Denver, what are you most looking forward in your competition in Vietnam?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to visit the place in Vietnam, the beautiful places in Vietnam. So, and beside of the beautiful places in Vietnam, looking forward for their people, their culture, to know their culture all about, and to share the beauty of Vietnam here to the Philippines. Yung magiging experience ko sa Vietnam. That's all.
Hi, Denver.
Hi, hello.
I'm Nolly for Open. Okay. Since you are getting for the first Mr. Fitness Supermodel World title for the country, tama ba? Okay. So, ano yung magiging yung basic game plan mo when you get there sa Vietnam? Kasi siyempre, hindi mo naman ipapakita yung ano. Pero yung ano lang.
Yeah, I think for me, ano po wala po talaga akong plan talaga na yung strategy or what. Para sa akin, parang I just want to be show who I am sa kanila and enjoy yung journey ko sa Vietnam. And para ma-share ko yung experience ko here through sa Vietnam and ma-apply ko. So basically, I don't have any strategy. I just want to be myself and show them what truly true Filipino are. You know.
Have you talked to any previous representative of the Philippines?
I know this is just the first time po.
Hindi, I mean, yung mga previous representative pa, may nakausap ka for advice?
As Godfrey po, I took some advice from Godfrey po about his experience and to improve what I should do based on experience that he did last year po.
Okay. Best of luck to you.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Maui. Tropical beauty. Doon sa mga natin.
Hi Denver, Paulo here from Palich News International.
Hello po.
My question is, what kind of Filipino culture or heritage do you want to share to your co-candidate during the competition?
Yung pagiging natin, very helpful pagdating sa ibang tao. I just want to share our culture also, pagiging matulungin yung niya, and always pag may problema tayo, diba, mostly we always stood up and get up to do what have to do, diba? I just want to share them what Filipino really are, yun po.
Second question, pwede na bang i-reveal yung outfits or national costume mo?
I know po. Pero, no po. So, abangan nyo na lang po sa isang pasabog din ko yung costume and not-cost ko po na nagagamitan. And suits and for finals. Designer po from the suit. Sa finals po is si Darwis Ismael po. Sa other suit po is si Don Gerald Santos po. And sa not-cost ko po is si Patrick Sereno po. Siya po yung sa not-cost ko.
Normally kasi sa male pageant, ang inabangan is national costume. In one word, anong concept ng national?
Hunter po siya. Hunter. Sa hunter po. Yeah. Hunter po siya.
That's it. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you so much po.
Hello, good afternoon, Denver.
Good afternoon po.
First and foremost, congratulations from your recent appearance sa isang fashion show.
Thank you so much.
I want to know what are your learnings from that show that you'll be able to apply going into an international stage like Mr. Fitness Supermodel World.
Sa last show ko, siguro mas na-boost yung confidence ko doon kasi syempre, mga big star ko yung mga kasama ko sa last fashion show ko. So, medyo na-boost ko yung confidence ko. Just, tsaka po, yung pakikisama ko sa tao is very important po. Yung po yung pinaka-number 1 ko. Yun po. Thank you so much po.
Hi, Denver. Sure,
Hello.
My question is, what has been the most difficult part of ng pag-prepare mo sa pageant na to?
Difficult part siguro. Yung sa ano po, pinakamahirap ko talaga yung sa body. Kasi for me, I think it's a big bearing po talaga kasi fitness supermodel ko so it has to be good looking talaga when it comes to physique. Besides sa physique naman po, I train for Q&A and pasarela din po naman. So yun po yung pinakamahirap actually kasi it's all about diet po talaga eh. So mahirap po talaga. Discipline po talaga kailangan.
And speaking of diet, anong diet mo? Do you go to the gym regularly?
Yes, mostly po. I go to the gym regularly po. 4 or 5 times a week po. Tapos medyo nag-low na po ako sa pag-take ng carbs. So I have to get leaner po. So mas ma-define po yung muscle. Ma-emphasize po lalo. Yun po.
Hello, good afternoon. Arvin Adina from The Inquirer. You won the title 7 months ago. Kung kakausapin mo yung sarili mo 7 months ago, anong magiging message mo sa kanya now that you have already learned all the learnings that you have at this moment in time?
I will tell to myself 7 months ago, I will tell him that this is it, this is your time, you can do it because you already do it, man. So you will bring home the crown.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon po.
Yeah, I came from Simple That PH. So, nagalagay ka dun sa bench. So, and I'm happy for you for that. So, we're talking about fitness, right? So, doon sa bench na yun, sino yung nakita mong babae or lalaki na sobra yung, or outside yung fitness na saan sinabi mo na yun din yung katawan mo?
Yeah. For me, si
Kaya mo yan?
si Kurt. Grabe po kasi, actually magkasing tangkad kami ni Kurt. So, nung nakita ko siya personally, magkasing height kami. Then, kasi yung physique niya po kasi is for model po talaga eh. So, sobrang fit and lean ng mga muscles. So, sabi ko, kailangan ko ma-achieve din yung ganang physique para mas lumakas yung pagiging representative ko sa fitness ko. So, si Kurt po yung nilook up din ko po when it comes to physique ko.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Yes, and po, Sir Carlo, Sir June, and sa mga galang and sister brother po nila, ni Sir Carlo po. Thank you so much po sa binigay po opportunity sa akin bilang isang king niyo po. And this is very, unforgettable moment po para sa akin. So, isa po itong dream para sa akin na isang karangalan din po na ma-represent po ang Pilipinas international. So, thank you so much po. And nagpapasalamat din po kay Nanay June and sa partner ko po, sa family ko, sa mga friends, and media sa inyong lahat. LGBT po, yan. Sobrang love ko po kayo lahat. Thank you so much po. And sa mga brothers ko, thank you. And thank you po sa inyong support. And gagalingan ko po, and I will do my best to bring home the crown. Thank you po.